Good day everyone, it's Mo here with INOZETEK. Thank you for tuning in for another YouTube video of ours. I have right behind me the one and only first 5th gen Nardo Gray full wrap with a lot of gloss black highlights. Let's go ahead and get started. We're extremely excited to show you guys what we've done to this build, and let's get on to it. Alright guys, so right over here, as you can see, we did the full Z01 conversion, 6th gen style, everything. So we go ahead and got the bumper for Dom. We painted a gloss black PPG. We got the headlights, the 6th gen style with the Z01 fog lights as well. On top of that, please note, when you guys purchase these headlights with us, do not come with the low beams. So it is required to purchase the D2S HID kit, which is available on our website. And to add on to that, we did the custom lighting with the halo ring, as you can see, the DRL, and the fog light Z01 strips. Everything is sequential RGB switchbacks, so every time he signals, everything go ahead and signals with the lights and the fog lights. Alright, and to continue with this Z01 bumper, we wanted to do two-tone, so obviously he got it wrapped in the Nardo Gray INOZETEK film, but we also wanted to do a gloss black accents. So right over here we have the upper, lower grill, the lip, and the fog light inserts with our own gloss black PPG paint, just to give it that two-tone luxury sport look, which I believe it completes this entire wrap build. It's one of my favorites right now. Moving forward to the hood over here, guys, Dom had an aftermarket hood already on this car. We did paint it before gloss black, and with this we just ended up wrapping the whole hood and just left the vents gloss black, showing the two-tone, so it gives it that nice traction look, that accent look of gloss black that blends in with the front bumper. Moving down to the wheel setup, guys, Dom has the 1LE replica Staggerit 2010-2011 in the back. One of the reasons why he did the 1LE, so he can manage the whole canard and the front bumper 1LE style. gives it that nice aggressive look for the 5th gens, and I believe it's one of the most unique styles to go to. Let's go ahead and move over to the side and explain to you all the actions that we've done. Alright guys, let's go over the side action over here where we wrap the fender in the Nardo Gray INOZETEK film, and going over with the doors and the corner panel. One of the cool things why we kept the side skirts gloss black to show that two-tone look to attract the wrap with a better stance and an attention grabber. This in the sun, guys, is amazing. It reflects extremely well. Paint like film, we can't really beat it. The best Nardo Gray right now on in the market. Moving down to the mirror, guys, one of my most favorite things to do, usually what we do is either we wrap the entire cup with the wrap color and then leave the accent with either black or satin, but this time we wanted to do something unique. So we did a 2 wrap on this cup where we left the top Nardo, we kept the black, gloss black accents, and on the bottom we added another piece of film to give it that 2-tone cup action with the frame being all gloss black. Moving over to the top, guys, where we did the Nardo Gray full roof wrap, leaving the antenna gloss black to make sure that accent really stands out for the roof. So when people look at the top, they see everything all Nardo Gray and the antenna showing gloss black. Alright guys, so right over here we have the full wrapped rear bumper, but we also wanted to do something special right where the taillight was at right here. You guys see a good gloss black accent underneath there. We wanted to do that for the purposes of the front headlights. Right underneath the headlight, you guys see a little nice black accent as well. So we wanted to match the back and the front with the same look. And obviously, as you guys see, Dom got the wicker bill, full-on trunk wrap. There you guys have it, the full-on Nardo Gray 5th gen full wrap. First 5th gen to do this wrap color with INOZETEK's company. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Also, please subscribe to our YouTube channel so you guys are always alert when we post a new video of a new build or a new project that we're working on. Don't forget to hit that notification button. If you guys have any questions about inquiries about wrap, custom lighting, bumpers, anything you wish for your car, make sure to contact us via email or on our Instagram. Everything will be noted down in the comments. Thank you guys for watching again, and we'll see you guys at the next YouTube video where we wrap an amazing car. So, moving down to the wheels, Alright. The sun's in my face right here, honestly. I'm not gonna focus. Sky's up, we're alive. It's a blessing. 3, 2, 1. Action. Fuck. Hey, bro. I can't do that for a couple